10 tips for proper hair combing. Most people consider hair combing a routine activity. There are people who keep a particular hairstyle throughout their life. On the other hand, younger generations adopt new hairstyles according to new trends. To have healthy hair, proper nutrition is required. General health has a direct relation to the quality and quantity of hair. In order to make your hair beautiful, you need regular washing, use of hair oil, proper combing, etc. Tips for combing hair. 1. To choose the best comb, you must take into account the nature of your hair, soft or hard, short or long, convenience and style. 2. Combing hair should be done with the greatest care and concentration. If you comb without any care, you can cause damage to your hair. 3. Combing hair should be done gently. A vigorous combing can encourage hair to fall out. 4. Do not comb wet hair. First, dry your hair with a towel and then put some oil and gently massage it. After this is done, the combing will be easy and undamaging. 5. Combing hair in the opposite direction of hairs must be avoided. This will cause hair to fall out. 6. Vigorous combing in backward direction can cause traction baldness. 7. Frequent combing can damage the hair follicles and the scalp. Combing hair 2 or 3 times in a day is sufficient. 8. The tooth of the comb must not be sharp. The comb should not be pressed too tightly on the scalp. 9. Clean the comb before and after use in order to prevent hair and dirt from depositing in the gap. Combing hair with a dirty comb can be difficult and painful. 10. Do not use other people's combs. This will prevent fungal and bacterial infections. Click the link in the description for the best hair comb and orchid hair oil. Please like and subscribe.